Hello everyone, I am Anandi. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel A to Z Test Automation. In this channel, I share my knowledge on tools and technologies related to test automation. In this video, we are going to see what is Cucumber tags using Selenium Java. How do we implement it? Let me go to the topic. So before starting with Cucumber tags, let me have a little introduction about what are the components in Cucumber, how they are used in the workflow. So the Cucumber, we have three components. One is the feature file, step definition and runner class. Write our scenarios, user stories as a feature in a feature file using a language called Gherkin, which is a plain English language, and we'll create a step definition file and we'll create a runner class. In our feature file, we will have list of scenarios, and each scenario can have more than one test steps, and these test steps will be defined in our step definition file, and using the runner class we will execute these feature files. Let me see one feature file with the step definition and runner class for this application. This is the Parabank Parasoft application. I have already created the feature file for this. So let me see that sample. So here I have created the feature file with scenarios. More than one scenario it has, and we have provided the step definition for this, and I have implemented the step definition for this feature file, and I have created a runner class to run these scenarios. When I run this scenario as a JUnit test, it will run all the scenarios. These are all my scenarios here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scenarios are there. All 6 scenarios got executed. Now we have executed all the scenarios. Consider some situation where we want to create a different test packs, like we want to do the smoke test, we want to do the regression test, and we want to do the sanity test. For every test type we will be creating a different test pack we will be creating, and each will have a different scenarios. How do we execute a selected scenario now? So in our runner class, we have given the feature file and all the scenarios got executed. But now our requirement is we want to execute only some selected scenarios. How to do that? Consider we want to execute a selected scenario. Like what if we want to run a few selected scenario from a feature file? Sometime we'll be creating more than one feature file. What if we want to run a few selected scenario from different feature files? Either case, we may want to select a selected scenarios only. That is, either from the same feature file or from the different feature file, we want to select only few scenarios and execute them. So how to do that? Here in Cucumber we have an option called tags. In this video we are going to see in detail about what are tags, how to use tags in feature file, how to use tags in runner class, how to combine tags using logical and or how to ignore scenarios using tags, and what is tag inheritance, and how to use tags while running as a Maven test. These are all the topics we will see in detail. Consider we want to create 3 test suites. One is for sanity test, one is for regression test, the other is for smoke test. How do we create a collection of scenarios now? So we'll be using an option called tags. Tags will start with @ symbol, and we can give the name for the scenarios. The tags are nothing but we are giving name for the scenarios, and while running the feature file in our runner class, we will give this name as a tags option, and only those scenarios will be executed. Now we will see how to use tags in our feature file. In the feature file, the tags can be used at feature level, scenario level, and as the scenario outline and examples level we can use the tags. But the tags cannot be used at the background or at the steps level like given, when, then, and but. So now let me create two feature files with tags. Let me start the sample in our Eclipse. The entire code content, all the samples I have shared it in my blog. Please refer the blog for code samples. I have already created a Maven project. Now we are going to create the Cucumber components here. So before creating the feature file, runner class and step definition, we have to provide the configuration details. In our POM file, let me provide the configuration details. The configuration file, we are going to include Selenium Java dependency, Maven dependency, Cucumber Java, Cucumber JUnit, and JUnit runner class. We are going to run it as a JUnit runner class, so I have provided it. And we are going to run this project as a Maven project from the command line also. So for that I have included the Maven compiler plugin and the Maven Surefire plugin. Here I have used the Maven dependency from io.cucumber. The latest version of Cucumber dependency is in io.cucumber. Previous to 3.0 Cucumber version, we used to do info.cucs Maven dependencies. But after 3.0, Cucumber 3.0, we can use this io.cucumber Maven dependencies. We have included the io.cucumber dependencies here. So we have given the configuration details here. Let me save it. We are going to create two feature files. Now I am going to create a feature file 1 as a file. One dot feature. Here we can include the tags at the feature level and also at the scenario level, and also we can declare more than one tag for the same scenario separated by space. Here we have given sanity test and regression for the scenario valid login. Now let me create one more feature file. Tags sample 2 feature. We have created two feature files now, and we have declared the tags, some common tags in both the feature files. Say here I have given sanity test, regression, smoke test. The same tag names I have used in feature file 2 also, regression test, smoke test, and also I have declared a tag at the feature level here. In both the files I have given the tag at feature level. Our next step is to provide implementation for these test steps. For that we have to create a step definition file. But before creating a step definition file, let me create a test runner class. By running the test runner, let me generate the implementation, default implementation. We will create a runner class now. As a class, tag runner, I am giving the name. We have created the class where I have used the annotation run with Cucumber options, and where I have given the feature folder. Let me give the feature folder here because we have more than one feature file. So I have mentioned the feature folder, and the glue is the step definition file where it has to refer the step definitions. And I have given the monochrome option. So let me save this file. Now if we run this file, we will get the default implementation for our test steps. Let me run it as the JUnit test. When we run our test runner, we will get the console output as, yes, this is for to enabling the view for the reports, whether you want to view the reports or not. By default, these reports will be shared in this URL. But if you want to disable it, just we can create a cucumber.properties file under source test and provide this option. Let me create the file cucumber.properties and provide this option. So we want to disable this message. Let me run the runner again now. Yes, we are not getting this message. Now if you see in the JUnit, it has provided the default implementation for all the steps. See here, invalid login, open new account, account overview. These implementations are auto-generated. So now we are going to copy all these default implementations and create a step definition file. Let me create a step definition file now. Under step def package, create it as a class, tags, step def, and already I have provided the implementation. Let me have with the simple SOP. So all the steps I have implemented with the SOP print statements I have created. So now we have created 2 feature files, and from the runner we have created the runner class. From the runner class we have created the step definition file. All the components are ready now. Now let me run our runner class. All these code are available in my blog. So now let me run our runner class. We have successfully executed all the scenarios. 9 scenarios all got executed in our 2 feature files. Now I want to execute only the regression scenarios. How to do that in our runner class? So let me use the option called tags. Tag equal to at regression. Here we are giving the instruction to the test runner saying that I want to execute the scenarios which are marked with the tag name regression. It will go and check our feature files which are marked with the regression. The scenarios which are marked with the regression will be executed now. Let me run and check what is the output. Totally 4 scenarios got executed. We'll see what are they. The first one is the valid login. Yes, we have marked it with the regression. Valid login. Then account overview. The account overview also we have marked it with the regression tag. Then the user logout got executed. And one more scenario got executed, that is bill pay, which is declared in our feature file 2. So here in feature file 2 we have given the regression for bill pay scenario. All these 4 scenarios got executed. This is how we will be selecting only some of the scenarios to execute from the feature file. Tags are helpful for selecting the scenarios from the feature file. There are many options available. Combine one or more tags, or if you want to select either from one tag marked with one tag, or if you want to ignore the scenarios which are marked with a particular tag, we can use that. So let me see one by one. Now we want to run the scenarios which are marked either with sanity test or regression test. How to select that? Let me go to our runner class. Let me comment this one. We have a option logical, operator option, and or we can use it here. Here I want to execute the scenarios which are marked with either regression or sanity test. Let me run it now. See here the output. We have valid login, account overview, user logout, and bill pay. Let me check the scenarios. Valid login, either sanity test or regression test, and account overview, we have a regression alone, and logout, we have regression and sanity test. If you see our feature file 2, we have only regression, we don't have a sanity test. Again the bill pay got executed. Okay, now if we want to execute scenarios which are marked with regression and sanity test, so we can change the operator here. Instead of or, we can change it to and. Save the file. Let me run the runner class. See, only 2 scenarios got executed because only the valid login and user logout scenario has both the tags, regression and sanity test. If both the tags are available, then I want to execute those scenario. Only we have 2 scenarios which has both the tags. These 2 got executed. If we don't want to execute some of the scenario, that is we want to ignore some of the scenario, how to do that? In our runner class, and say for example we don't want to execute the regression scenarios, so I have given it here as a not and regression tag. So let me run now. So the not will ignore the scenarios which are marked with this tag. If we don't want to run any specific scenarios, we can give the tag name and proceeding with the not. These scenarios will be ignored. Let me run our runner now. Only 5 scenarios got executed. Let me see our feature file, which are marked with the regression have not been executed. Valid login, account overview, and logout, and bill pay. Other than these 4, the remaining 5 scenarios got executed. This is how we will be ignoring the list of scenarios. So let me see the next one. So far we have given the tag name at the scenario level. Now we want to give the tag name at the feature level. I have given the tag name in both the feature files at feature level, end to end the tag name. Before saying this, let me see how the tags are inherited in feature file. So tags are inherited by child elements, that is tags that are used at the feature level will be inherited by the scenario outline or examples. If the tags are used at the scenario outline, that will be inherited only by the examples. Okay, so this is the inheritance rule. Now To run the scenario from a specific future file, we can give the tag at the future level. Now let me have only future level tag for only one feature file. Let me see the sample. Now I have tag for one feature file and the other one do not have any tag at the future level. In this two feature files, I want to run the scenarios which are marked with regression and from which file, feature file, which are marked with end-to-end tag. Let me see that how to do. In our runner class, let me give the tag option as I want to execute the regression scenario from the file end to end. So now we have created two feature files, one with the tag name at the feature level and the other file without tag at the feature level, but still it is having the tags at the scenario level. Now we have more than one feature file. We want to select the scenarios from a particular feature file. How to do that? Here we want to run only the scenarios from feature file marked with end to end, and we want to run the scenarios marked with regression. How to do it in our runner class? In our runner class, we are marking it as a regression and end to end. Run this one. Only 3 scenarios got executed: valid login, account overview and user logout. If you see our feature file, valid login, accounts overview and logout, which are in the end-to-end feature file. But in our second feature file, still we have a regression tag, but we don't have a tag at the feature level. This bill pay scenario was not executed. Hope you all are clear. We have two feature files. If you want to select the scenarios from different feature files, we give tags at the feature level, and we have to mention the, in our runner class, we have to mention the tag names at the feature level, and also if you want to select any particular scenarios, we have to give those tag names also. So hope you all are clear. So let me see some more sample having tag at the future level for more than one feature file. Consider we have 5 feature file in our folder. We have scenarios having tag regression in all the files, but we want to ignore the scenarios, regression scenarios, only from 2 feature files. So how to do that now? In our runner class, we are going to give the tag option as we want to ignore the regression scenarios only from selected feature file. Let me run this now. 5 scenarios got executed. The reason is in feature file 1 we have the regression for valid login, account overview and logout, and in our feature file 2 we have it in bill pay. So all these 4 scenarios got ignored and the remaining scenarios only executed. So next one is we want to ignore more than one tag now. Let me have it by What we want? We want to ignore regression and sanity test from the feature files which are marked with end to end. Let me run this. Not regression and sanity test. If you go and see the sample here, again we have sanity test at two scenarios. One is the login and the logout. Anyhow, it got ignored with the regression also. So in our second feature file, we don't have any scenarios marked with sanity test. We have ignored the scenarios which are marked with regression and sanity test. Okay, now let me consider we want to ignore the scenarios which are marked with tags. That is, we want to execute the scenarios which are not marked with any of the tags. We want to execute. How to do that? In our runner class, we have to give list of tags which are marked with, we have to ignore it. So we have given not regression and not sanity test and not smoke test. Let me run it now. Let I save the file. Let me run it. So we have only two scenarios which are not having any of the tags. That is invalid login and request loan. So if you go and see your feature file, invalid login do not have any tags and request loan also do not have any tags. This way we can execute the scenarios from different feature files which are not having any of the tags. Here we are not giving any feature level tag name because from the folder what are all the scenarios not having tags we want to execute. We have given in our runner class all the tag names proceeding with not. In this way we can customize our test packs either from the same feature file or from the different multiple feature files. The next one we will see is how do we run Cucumber tags from Maven test. How do we give the tags option? So if we want to run the Maven test from the command prompt, how do we execute? Let me see now. Where this will be useful is in case if you want to execute the test cases in the CI environment, continuous integration environment, and if we want to execute our test cases in the CI/CD pipeline, we will be using the Maven test. From the Jenkins, we will execute the test cases. In that case, how do we filter the tags? So let me see one sample on that. To execute from the command prompt, go to command prompt and go to your folder, and from inside the folder execute the Maven test command. Here we have give the option as Cucumber filter tags equal to smoke test. We want to execute only the smoke test. Let me run now. Only 3 scenarios got executed: open new account, transfer funds and find transactions. See our feature file smoke test having open new account, transfer fund and find transactions. Only these 3 scenarios have tag as a smoke test. In this way we can execute our tags from the Maven test. The same thing we can run it from the Eclipse also, like runners Maven test. In this case, whatever the tag names we have given in our runner will be executed. But in case if you want to execute your test cases from Jenkins pipeline, then we have to provide the tag name in the Maven command. For that we will be using the option called the cucumber filter.tags, where we can list the tag names, or if you want to ignore the tag names, we can give it here. Hope this video was helpful to you. With this I end up this video. So far we have seen what are tags, how to use tags, in feature file, how to use tags in runner class, how to select different scenarios from the same feature file, how to select scenarios from different feature files, and how to ignore the tags, and how to ignore the tags at the different feature files. So many things we have seen, and also we have seen how to execute it as a Maven test from the command line. We have given the option in the filter and we have executed scenario. Thank you for watching this video. The same content, I have one more video in Tamil. If you are interested, please watch that video. I have shared the link in the description. Thank you all.